The Low Payment Kings have recently made a very special purchase of over 100 Dodge Caravans. That's right, over 100 Dodge Caravans we just bought at our 5 Low Payment King locations. Made a special purchase so we can pass the savings on to you. These Low Payment King Caravan specials at $275 a month, 0 down, sign and drive, only $275, complete on the road, out the door. These vehicles are loaded with options including remote keyless entry, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, second row stow and go with bucket seats, third row stow and go seating, 7 passenger seating, power sliding doors, power windows, power liftgate, rear air conditioning, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, power 10-way driver's seat, rear backup camera for increased safety, and a whole lot more. We have hundreds of vehicles in stock, but we have these specific Dodge Caravans in stock ready to go for you to drive home and take immediate delivery. Leave your checkbook at home and come see the Low Payment Kings today. The Low Payment Kings will always show you the Carfax Vehicle History Report. The Low Payment Kings will also show you all the reconditioning we've invested in every used vehicle we offer for sale. We buy more so you can save more. Check out hundreds of vehicles, videos, and Low Payment King specials at lowpaymentkings.com or call us toll free today